Hello, hello. Welcome to my channel. This is a charger, micro USB. It is good with. You can use it with LG phones. It's very nice and high speed. As you see down here, you see high speed charging data transfer. Micro USB and is 2.1 amp and 39 inches long. 99 centimeters. E-Circuit is the brand, but it's very good. I mean, you can charge like on my phone, LG phones, and a lot of phones you can use it, but especially LG. And you can charge like every minute it will charge 1%. So if you got 30% battery, you can charge 90% in 1 hour. So that's 60% more. Thank you for watching my channel, and can you please subscribe? Thank you.